John Williams, GS United Soccer Club. We've had a very good run to this Ontario Cup Championship. Every game was very difficult. Today's game was a very much disciplined game on our part, with Markham being the favorites in this game. It was important for us to really sit back and wait for our opportunities. And lucky for us, we caught one or two breaks, and we happened to win this game 3-2. Very well fought game. I thought the game could have went either way, and sometimes you need to be a little bit lucky to be successful. So hats off to my team for being fighters in the game, and we'll see what happens in the Canadian National Championships.
My name is Patrick Haddad. I coach the Markham over 35 men's soccer team. We've just finished an unfortunate defeat against the GS United. So congratulations to GS United for a game well played. It's often difficult to win 3 years in a row, and the team was focused on three-peating, but unfortunately we came up a bit short. Certainly gave it a great effort, but unfortunately the ball's round and it bounced in different directions. So GS United got a couple of bounces that we didn't get, and they were victorious. So good luck to them when they go to Nova Scotia to represent Ontario.